Hi, my name is Julie, and I'm making chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started.
All right, so what are you going to start with, Julie? The first thing you do is you get your sugar in the bowl. Yeah, put all the sugar in that bowl.
The whole thing?
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Yes, look at that. What kind of sugar is that? Brown sugar and?
White sugar.
Yeah, or granulated sugar. So what are you going to do?
Now mix it.
Yes, go ahead.
First, you need to smash it so I can mix it.
Yeah.
Mix it.
Yeah, mix it well. Do you like to bake cookies?
Yeah.
What are your favorite cookies? Favorite cookies?
Mint cookies.
Milk cookies?
Mint.
Mint cookies. Oh, you like mint cookies. Oh, okay. So what are you going to add right now? Add the butter, the melted butter. I'm showing you my favorite cookies, which are...
Is this the butter?
Yes, it's been melted. You know, when you melt butter, first it's solid and then it becomes liquid. Yeah, pour everything in there. You see that?
Now what do I do?
And you mix it.
Again?
Yeah. You have to hold it hard and mix everything. Do you like to cook?
Yes. I love cooking with my sister and mommy.
Oh, really? You know, chocolate chips cookies are very easy to make. Oh, you mix everything. So now you're going to pour in what is that?
Eggs.
And what's that brown thing on top of it?
I don't know.
It's vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla extract.
Okay,
You know,
now
to make it. Yes.
pour it.
Yeah, pour it in. Everything, okay? Right. Just now put it on the side and try to mix the whole thing.
I'm going to first do the eggs because they're a little bit easier.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. Well, this one is very hard.
You know, you mix everything.
Oops.
Is it hard?
No, it's mixing.
Ooh. Ooh, that's fun. It's going round and round. So it's okay. This is the flour. The
Oh, the
flour
whole
and the
thing?
baking soda. Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yes, pour in the whole thing. Be careful because it's gonna splash and you're gonna have flour dust everywhere. Go ahead. Ooh.
That was so lucky for me.
Yeah. So now you need to hold the bowl because you don't want the bowl to move. Yeah, hold it tight and now mix it. Doucement. Slowly, slowly. Chocolate chips in there. Ooh. All right. Take out the spatula. Put it on the side. And guess what you're going to be doing?
What?
Mix with your hands.
Yes, I never did that.
Okay, go ahead, do it. Ooh, fun, fun. Yo. Squishy. How does it feel?
So good. Yeah.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay, mix everything very well until we don't feel the flour anymore. All the flour is wet. Mix everything. Yes.
Is this how you do it?
Yeah, you can do that.
This is so fun, Mommy.
Okay. You don't need to clean your hands. You're gonna clean your hands when everything's done. Go ahead.
Can I eat some chocolate?
No, when you're done. So what are you doing right now? You're putting the cookie on the baking sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Looks good.
We're gonna put these cookies in the 15 minutes. See you soon. Put them
Are the cookings done? You want to try them?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You let me know what you think. You like them?
Yeah.
Mmm. Ooh, they look good. I love it. Not hot?
No.
Okay, you can eat it. Yeah, you can eat it. It's yours.